In a sunlit kitchen, a restless kettle hosts a gag-filled meeting with a sarcastic sponge about boiling over with punchlines. A hovering spatula interrupts with dramatic flair, announcing that sarcasm has officially replaced steam as the daily mood boost. A gossiping fridge leaks rumors about expired yogurt forming a secret society under the crisper drawer. The cat audits the pantry like a stern boss, awarding bonus crumbs to those who can juggle napkins and biscuits. When the clock strikes lunch, everyone freezes, then bursts into a perfectly synchronized sneeze that rewrites the schedule.